Carly, watch the water. I can't let it. Carly, do it. Do it over here. Mom, is it okay if we get wet?
Yeah.
Carly, watch this.
Are the fish still over here? Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Wait. Don't let the water get in her face. Don't let the water get in her face or her mouth. Okay?
Can
All
I
right.
go in her hair?
No.
But now if I have my earplugs.
Right.
Mom, watch it. Hey, Grandma! Watch the water when I do this.
Oh my goodness.
Watch the water.
Oh my goodness.
Grandma!
Why is she all wet? What did you let her get all wet for?
She fell.
Look! Abby, look at Carly. Because she got wet.
You may not want to get over here if you don't want to be wet.
I don't want to be too wet. This is my baby. I want to do that. Mom, am I allowed to?
Isn't this cool the way I fixed it so that it wouldn't be so scary to have the kids on here?
Oh, yes, it is. They really grew a lot.
And, I might remove some of it and put something else on.
Let's see. What are you standing on? Wow. Is that the island?
Yeah. Whoa, wipe your head on it.
Hey.
No.
No. I've always told you never
Put
to
your
put,
face in the water.
your head in this water. This water's dirty water. It's polluted. Use your head. It's only for playing.
I look like a baby theater. Is it cold? Is it cold, Carly? That's how you look like. Wet.
And stop it. You know what? I expect you to act more mature and to know better and to teach Carly not to do things like that. You don't want her to get sick.
Fine,
You don't want her to get sick for you from getting bad water in her head.
Easy.
Well, then you're going to get sick.
And I am not too.
Okay.
Where'd you go, Abby?
Carly, watch this.
You're on top of the world.
Carly. Oh, yeah.
Let me see that, Ben.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Excuse me.
Whoa.
Carly's gonna do it. I got a lot. Now she's gonna do her other one.
Whoa.
Why is he acting like that?
Because he has Carly. He can play like he's a 2-year-old.
What you doing, Rosie?
This is look like